Songo, and we're hanging out with
Joy from Nairobi TV.
Joy from Nairobi TV.
Tuko hapa ndani ya Nairobi TIV. Na niko hapa na Joy mwenyewe, guys. Subscribe to this amazing channel.
Baby Top riu ni arikite gwakana mwaki muno thutha wa Bica arakorirwo akirekereria iria iracokire gututhura gicanjama na debate muno. Bica akinywa njohi na some of her fans and Kenyans did not seem to take this lightly or even well. She had shared this akiuga cheers to a busy day done and dusted. Leo napiga polite, a cold Manyata cider. Sasa K-Fest 6th December ndio kupiga sherehe na tufisha tutu o toria orakiona gikenera no kuragia na debate muno in her comment section. Au maiki mwira ati Asha ni afatie gutiga njohi riu na onaginya kurakia no murai korirwo akimwira ati nigetha ahote kuhika Odo Baby Top atanakorwo akiona uhuthu, and she clapped back kuria riu ni akimburite ndeto ironekanie gukenia aingi. Baby Top confess ati she is actually a married woman. Gimuquote murumiriri aramwirire reuma uyu mwana witu ni kuri hindi agatiga njohi ahikema ni muitia huthu, and Baby Top came back with a response akimwira ni ndahikire tura hau karimu gaka. Baby Top akingethanira na some of her critics na at the same time akibora ati we ni mundu muhiku riu.